Good morning, everybody, and welcome back from the long weekend if you're Canadian. Hopefully, you had a lot of sun. I think I had too much sun. I got a big sunburn over the weekend, and it's slightly painful, but hopefully, yours was a more mellow, relaxing weekend. And yeah, so today I'm going to be continue working on the closet design. And last week we met with the clients, we went over the details, and I'm just gonna focus on the master closet, the walk-in closet. And again, while in the meeting, there's a lot of different ideas that come up, and it's much more uh, detailed now, so our clients are able to visualize and understand, and we're working with spaces and thinking where are we going to place the items and how many shirts and all of that is required, and how much space was in their previous closet compared to the closet that is now, and stuff like that. So we met. There was a lot of questions, and a lot of answers that we made, and I just wanted to show how what this closet has and what we came up with. So
Closet,
as
so
a
it's
lot
going
of
to be
closets right
built-in
now.
steamer and a bunch of hanging and drawers here. There's going to be a bench in there and more storage on this wall. And so that's the master.
So that's the master closet, and basically, as a lot of closets right now, there's going to be a built-in steamer. So how do you design closet around a built-in steamer? What do you do with it? And our solution came up in our last meeting, and I think this is a very interesting solution. So in order to close all of this. In order to close all of these pipes and stuff, they first had a big box build, which was humongous. It was oversized. It was like 2 feet deep. But the clients,
So we have
they
master
don't want to
closet,
go.
which is going to be built-in.
So the clients, they don't want to do a full built-in box. They want to save on the cost. The closet is not something that they want to spend the money on. So we're trying to keep the cost down. So this way, we're doing open backs, floating units, and fairly simple design. However, because this is a walk-in closet, it still requires a lot of it requires thinking through and just understanding point. So what I came up with is hiding all these accessories with two doors. So basically, we're gonna make two doors on the bottom. They're just gonna be closed doors, and they're gonna open up to the space. And behind it, so this section is gonna go actually all the way to the floor, and behind it is going to be all the accessories. So we will put a magnet, so it's not just an easy open, and we'll hide all this, and it's very easily accessible, and also it will look as a part of your closet. So this is an extra modification that we're adding. It's not just a simple build a big box. Now it's looking uniform, and it's gonna look much nicer than just your regular big panel. And the panel was supposed to be much higher, taller, and wider. So everything is minimized now. It's easily accessible. It has it does all the functions, and and it works. It will work for the client. It'll look better. So we ended up. So this is there's going to be some adjustable shelving. Another thing this client requested is one hole for the shelves. So she doesn't want to be able to adjust. She doesn't want to see holes throughout the cabinet. So again, this is a simple open closet, but there's all these modifications that we have to adjust to our standard. So there's a standard closet. You just basically pre-make whatever is there. You put it on the CNC machine and you cut. And with this client is particular, she's specific, and she doesn't want holes. She doesn't want to be able to adjust the shelves up and down too much, because she hasn't been using this feature in her old closet, and it's not something that was working for her, and she didn't need it, so she doesn't want to see all these holes. So that's fine. We're going to modify that as well. So basically, all these open shelves, whatever needs for stability and structure, we're going to make them fixed. Whatever doesn't need stability and structure, we're going to make them just solid. So, and then we're trying to line up all these shelving and all these lines as well, line them up with so everything is in line, and these two drawers are in line here, and that's basically just small modifications that I'm going to be working on today. And yeah, so we have this panel here, and what is this? So that's from here to here, and that's out. So adjusting these couple of small things and trimming this. So these are the drawers. The drawers are going to be flat panels, same as these, with the wood texture. So these are adjustable shelves. Here we have the kind of the long hang. We're also placing a belt rack, which is going to be located on this side. And I think we're going to do this one. My jacket's stretched out. What we're gonna do is put it on the side, either here or here, in one of these cabinets. So just gonna copy this, and let's put the belt rack right here. Belt rack, and just gonna add this number the belt rack, copy, and that's from Richelieu. Okay, so we got our belt rack in here. We have our bench that's 20 inches tall. We made this section longer, so the double hang, because husband requires more of a short hang space for suits and stuff like that. And then we have just adjustable shelving, and yeah, lots of other storage for other things. Connect my power. Okay, I'm not sure if we got